In this video we are going to see conditional or ternary operator. So it is similar to if-else statements, like it is similar to if-else statement. So how it is similar to if-else statement, let us discuss after seeing the syntax. So first let us discuss about syntax. So syntax is simple. You need to use question mark and a colon. So this is a syntax. So you need to use question mark and you need to use a colon. So here we formed three gaps, right? So first gap, second gap and third gap. In this you need to place the condition. So if the condition is true, you need to write the related true expression after the question mark. So you need to write the related true expression after the question mark. And similar, if we have true expression, if condition gives the two results, right? Either a true or a false. So here we replace the true expression as here we need to give the false expression. Okay. So this is all about the syntax of conditional statement. So why it is similar to if-else means? So here you can say we have a condition, we have true and false. If condition is true means, so this is nothing but it is similar to true expression is similar to if block and a false expression is similar to else block. So false expression is similar to else block. Okay. In the previous video we have seen the even or odd example. So let us do the even or odd example using the conditional operator. So the question is find even or odd. So what is the condition? So condition is like if any number when divided with 2 leaves remainder 0, then it is like a even, right? So otherwise it is like a false, like it is like a odd. So place the conditional operator, put the question mark here. So if it is true, it is a even, otherwise it is a odd. Okay, since these are string values, right? So you need to store it using the one string variable. So you need to store it into one string, let it be result equals to like this. So now let us do the program over the, let us do the program for this. So let us declare one note here. Now let us declare one number, like let it be num variable. Let num equals to 21. Now condition is when num divided by 2 equals to 0, then it is a condition, right? So let us grab with the brackets. Okay. Now what is the syntax of the conditional operator? It is like a question mark and the colon, right? So after the question mark, if it is a true means it is like a even, right? And if it is a false means it is like a odd. So in the false expression I am writing odd. Since this returns a string values, right? Even or odd, right? So you need to store it into one variable, like using the string data type you need to store like string, let it be a result. So in the result variable string data type I am going to store the results like even or odd. Now using the printing statement I am going to print the result. So in the printing statement I am giving the result variable. So when I run this, so obviously 21 is the odd number, right? So we need to get the value as odd. So see here we are getting the odd. So if I change now if I change 21 to let it be 20, 20 is a even number, right? See here we are getting it is a even. So let us do this program by using the scanner. So let us convert this program to scanner program. Like for the scanner program you need to write the first line as import java.util.scanner, right? So in the main method first line you need to write like scanner sc equals to new scanner, and in the brackets of the scanner you need to pass system.in. So let us indicate the user like this using the printing statement. We need to indicate, right? So I'm copying and pasting here. So in this I'm indicating the user like this, like enter the number. So the enter number I'm going to store in the num variable like sc dot next int method, right? So now when I run this, here it is asking like enter the number. Let I am giving the 45. So when I press enter, you need to get the output as odd. Okay, so this code is working properly. Now there is a facility, you can store or you can't store. There is no effort for this. Directly you can cut here and you can paste over here. So this will also work. So I am pasting here, remove the semicolon. So I am removing all this. So again when I run this, same thing will work. So enter the number. So now here I am giving the 52. When I press enter, you need to get the output as given, right? Okay, so this is how the conditional or ternary operator is going to work. So it is a simplification or shortcut of if-else statement. So I think you got the idea on conditional or ternary operator. So if you learned anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. Thank you for watching.